wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
I accidentally hit the hammer on my finger.
Oh no. Yeah. It looks a little bit like it's getting swollen.
Oh no, that's not good.
No, it's okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put an ice pack on it, and we're gonna put a little splint on it.
It hurts so much.
Yeah, and then we'll have
I don't think I can move my hand at all anymore.
Let me see, can you wiggle your fingers?
Ouch!
Oh, yeah.
It hurts.
It's real bad?
It hurts, Olivia.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to put a splint, and then
don't touch it.
We have to.
No, but it hurts.
Yeah, but we have to so that it can get better, because you have to have it so that it stays in place.
Yeah, but it hurts.
Because otherwise it'll get hurt more. Yeah. And then we'll take you to the doctor.
No, I don't want to go to the doctor.
But Noah, you have to go to the doctor for your finger. Look, it's getting red and swollen. Here, can I see it? Yeah? Can you put it on my hand? But I won't move it, I promise. Let me see. Which finger?
It's this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you get it hard with the hammer?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I was trying to repair your toy.
Aw. Thank you, Noah. I'm sorry you're hurt. Here, I'm gonna get some splint stuff, okay?
No.
Do you need a candy?
Maybe.
Okay, want me to get a candy and some splint stuff?
Just some candy.
Okay, well, if I give you a candy, I have to also get the splint stuff. Yeah?
No.
Okay. Right, you wait right here. I'm gonna go get the splint stuff and a candy, and then I will come back and I will help you get healed so then we can take you to the doctor.
Olivia, it hurts.
You know what though?
It hurts so bad.
Guess what though, Noah? If we go to the doctor, guess what?
What?
You're gonna get to do an X-ray.
What's an X-ray?
It's where they take a picture of your bone.
Of my bone?
Yeah. So
that sounds kind of cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. So they're gonna put your hand under a machine, and
but that'll hurt.
No. The machine doesn't touch your hand. It's like they just put your hand underneath the camera. So like the camera's up here, and it just looks at your hand, but it doesn't do anything. And then it goes click, just like takes a picture, and then it prints out a picture for the doctor of your bones, like if you were like a Halloween skeleton.
Oh, that would be cool. With Halloween coming up, maybe I can show that to my friends.
Yeah, and then you could maybe even like hang it on your wall, and it could be your wall art. Noah's bones.
Cool.
Yeah.
That would be cool.
Good idea then?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna get the stuff for the splint and a candy.
No.
Yeah, Noah. Remember when I was really scared to go to the doctor?
Yeah.
Yeah? And you told me it would be okay?
Yeah.
And you were totally right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get the splint.
Okay.
I need to get a candy
it hurts. Don't do this at home. It hurts very much. It hurts just when I move it, or even just looking at it, it hurts. But maybe that's just in my brain. But it hurts. It hurts so much, Olivia.
Yeah. Here's a candy for you. Is that delicious?
That's very tasty.
Okay, and I'm gonna make a split for you. So you get to pick if you want pink tape or green tape.
Green tape.
Yeah, green, I thought so.
Yeah.
So we don't need the pink. And then we're gonna use 2 popsicle sticks. Yeah?
Popsicle sticks? Why popsicle sticks?
So your finger, if it's broken or sprained.
Broken!
Yeah. Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay, Noah. Noah.
But then I can't play basketball and I can't do anything.
Yeah, you
if
can.
it's broken.
You just, Noah, you only have to wait for it to heal. Yeah. And while it heals, you can do other fun stuff. And it doesn't take that long to heal. Yeah. And it's probably not even broken anyways. It's probably just maybe sprained or even just like if you stubbed it. Like, you stub a toe. Maybe you just stubbed it and it just hurts real bad. We just have to make sure, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Plus, look at you, Noah. What shirt are you wearing?
I'm wearing my Captain Courageous shirt.
Yeah. So if you're wearing your Captain Courageous shirt, can't you be Captain Courageous and be courageous and put on a split and go to the doctor and see?
I guess I can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I can do that.
Great. That's a great idea.
Okay.
All right. So now I'm going to split your finger. So give me your finger.
Oh,
The one that's hurt. And I'm just going to put 1 popsicle stick on the bottom. Yeah, I'm sorry. And 1 on top.
Ow, 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 ow. Don't press too hard.
Okay. I'm just going to wrap the tape around it, just real soft. Okay? Okay. I'm going to get 1 more piece of tape.
Okay.
And I'll wrap that piece around. Wow. See?
So what does that do now?
So see how your finger's straight?
Yeah.
So that keeps it straight and in position so that it doesn't bend or move, and it can help with swelling so it doesn't get any worse, basically. So now it just stays in one spot until we get to the doctor, and the doctor can check it and see if you need a real cast or if you're just totally fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? So are you ready to go to the doctor?
No. I think I'm fine.
I don't think you are.
No, you did a good job.
Thank you.
Now I can continue playing.
Okay, let's see if you can pick up your hammer.
Ouch.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, see? Stop. You don't want to move it. So we should go to the doctor. Don't you want to get a really cool picture of your bones?
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you think I can get a body x-ray too?
We can ask. Why not? Yeah, you never know what the doctor will do for us, right?
Then it's my new picture in my room.
Yeah. It'll be awesome. You can put it up next to your Dino.
Yeah, I'll put it next to Dino.
Yeah.
Or I'll put it in place of Dino.
Ooh, yeah, for Halloween, it'll be a Halloween decoration.
Yeah, that would be funny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, all right, let's go to the doctor, yeah?
Okay, I guess so.
Okay.
Olivia?
Yeah?
Thanks for taking care of me.
Of course, Noah. Thank you for taking care of me.
It does hurt, but I think I'm going to be better once I have a cast on or something.
Yeah, I think so too. I think once the doctor sees it, he'll be able to fix it.
Yeah.
Right as rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
Thanks for giving me green tape too.
Yeah, you're welcome. I was hoping we had blue, but
No, we
I
didn't.
guess we used all the blue.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Fits
Green is
with
still
my-
fun though.
Yeah, the green fits with Dino and my pig.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Green is my second favorite color.
I was just gonna say. Yeah.
Yep. Well,
Okay.
I guess now we'll go to the doctor.
Yep.
Should we say goodbye to the kids?
Oh yeah, we should probably say goodbye to the kids, huh?
Bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
I'm hurting.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Is it really bad? Because now I can't feel my finger anymore. That's not good, is it?
You can't feel it at all?
I can't feel it at all.
Yeah, that's probably not good. I think we definitely need to go to the doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, bye, kids.
Okay, bye, kids.
Keep safe.
Thank you. Yeah. Be really careful if you use a tool set.
Yep. Stay
Okay.
safe.
Yep, stay safe.
Okay.
All right, come on, Noah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!